Hey, it's Finn from Bad Guys, and today I want to talk about figuring out the thread size on any of your fittings, how to decipher something's 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch. Now, you've heard of the bolt bucket or the bolt drawer. Today I want to show you the fitting bucket. Now, oftentimes you're going to pour out all your fittings looking for the right one, but suddenly you don't know which fitting is which. So I'm going to show you with two very common household items how you can decipher what size NPT threaded fitting you have. First up, I'm going to show you a method using wrenches. Now, what you're going to need is a 21, a 17, a 14, and a 10. Now, this also depends on if you're trying to figure out the size, including 1/8 and 1/2 inch. Now, primarily, you're probably only going to be figuring out between 1/4 and 3/8. So for that, you just need a 17 and a 14. What you're going to want to do is grab your fitting, look for the tapered threads, and see which of the wrenches is going to fit over it. If a 10 fits snugly and perfectly, you have yourself a 1/8 sized fitting. Same with the 14, if it fits snugly, you have yourself a 1/4 inch fitting. With the 17, when it fits snugly, you have yourself a 3/8 fitting. And finally, for the big boys, we have the 21, which if it fits snugly, is going to be a 1/2 inch fitting. Now, as you can see here, if I try to take the 17 and put it on the 1/2 inch, it's not going to fit. And that's a simple way to figure out which size these fittings are. So that method is going to work perfectly for the male side of a fitting. However, for a female side of a fitting, grab yourself a AAA and AA battery. Now, you might be saying to yourself, well, Finn, I checked mom's junk drawer and there's no batteries in there. Well, first off, it's a horrible place to look. Never look in there. Second off, you can probably find a set of batteries in either TV remote, Xbox controller, a mouse for a computer, or anything similar like that. Now, the AAA battery is going to fit perfectly and snugly inside of 1/4 inch female NPT fittings. And the AA battery is going to fit perfectly inside of 3/8 inch NPT female fittings. Now, if you have larger or smaller, this is still going to work, because if you try and put the AAA into an 1/8 inch NPT female fitting, it's not going to fit. And if you put the AA battery into a 1/2 inch NPT female fitting, it is just going to wobble around a ton, and that's how you know that those are the wrong sizes. And once you're done, don't forget, put the batteries back. So now that you've got wrenches and batteries, you're all set to figure out whatever size fittings you need in your air ride system. For all your fitting needs, head over to bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop.